Hi everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks. Thank you for tuning in. This video is something different. It is not a thrift haul. It is not a show and sell. It's basically an unbagging of an order that I purchased from Temu. Now, if you don't know about Temu, which is very unlikely, it is a American-based online marketplace that started in September of 2022. They are advertised everywhere. And it's basically the #1 shopping app right now. And it's based in Boston, Massachusetts, but the parent company, the principal's office is actually in Dublin, Ireland. It is a Chinese-owned business. So with that said, let's just cut it open into this bag that I received. Check out the purchases that I made personally. Now, I think I ordered some things, possibly, I would say it was about 10 days ago. Yeah. So I'm just going to cut open into it just to see how everything is packed and shipped. Okay. Here are the things I got. Yeah, I kind of went a little overboard. I mean, everything is very, very inexpensive. Okay. There it is. I don't see an invoice of any kind, but that's okay. That's okay. So let's check it out. Okay, first off, I got these window decals of dragonflies. I think these are sweet. They do look like what was shown in the picture, so that's one. Another item is a tin. Yeah, it's made of tin. And it's another plaque of some sort with the dragonfly on it. These are cute. If you notice, they're little rubber circular mats that you could put in your cup holders in your car. I've been using cupcake holders, those paper ones, but this looks nice, and I picked a nice purple flower. These pens are for grout, to paint over your grout lines. Cool. And this is also for to place over the cork that is on your tub surround. So yeah, like I said, I bought some personal items. And let's see. We'll go over the little things later. I got these brushes. They're lint brushes. I don't know if you're aware, but I do have 2 cats. And these would be good to have because the fur does get everywhere. And yeah, you get 2 in a package. I mean, everything was really inexpensive. Here is a pair of gloves. I think they're heated gloves. Okay. This is it's a t-shirt. Oh, this is nice. It's so soft. It is a sleeveless shirt, and it has a dragonfly. And it says, well, I thought it said warrior. Yeah, but it's really cool. And it is super, super soft. That's nice too. Okay. Have you ordered from Temu before? What was your experience? This is, oh, cosmetic brushes. So let's open this to see what they look like. Comes in this little pouch. And come on. Getting there. That's a lot of brushes. Okay. Those are nice. So I got that. Yes, I did it. Slim patch. Hey, I'll try it. This is the review's got a good review. It's face makeup. This here is a fan, something that I like. I thought it would be nice to keep on my desk. It comes with a USB port. That's cool. And I'll charge it and make sure that it works. But, you know, I don't think I'll be returning anything. Like I said, I wanted to see how their products are compared to what is shown on the actual site. I mean, you can peruse the site for hours on end. There's so much. Now, this one here is a purse. And it looks like this. It's very soft. It's not leather, but it's a great knockaround purse, and I thought it was cute. And I think the zipper is broken. Oh no, it's not. And yeah, it comes with a strap. Yeah, I think this is sweet. It did look a bit larger in the photo, but that's okay. That's absolutely okay. I think it's nice. I like the strap. And yeah, it's a nice little size. It came in many colors, but yeah, I chose this one. I also got one of these. I mean, I have one already, but this one I think I will give away. It's basically the same one I have. And then here's that fan again. And when I took it out of the bag, I turned it on and it's working. bladeless fan for your desk, I guess. Lastly are these little things that came in these pouches. This one here I thought was pretty neat. It's something that you clip on the wow, that's cute. This is plastic. It's something that you can clip onto the air vent in your car. I guess this is something for you to wipe the surface off with, and there is that little clip. So that was sweet. I think this was like under, oh, I don't know, under $2. So we got that. Next is I guess this is something that you can hang on your rear view mirror or your window. It is comes with a ribbon. It is a set of wings. A piece of my heart is in heaven. That is very sweet too. So I do like that. And a couple other things. Okay. Place that back in. Yeah, so far I'm pretty happy. This is I believe a pendant necklace. Pendant necklace, okay. Yeah, comes with a ball chain necklace. And there's the pendant. I like that too. And then, oh, I remember this. I got a couple rings. I think they are stainless steel. And one is a spinner ring, and the other is just a yeah, I got these for as thumb rings. So this one here, it's it doesn't say anything on it, but here you can see. Has little dragonflies, and doesn't really fit my thumb unless oh, it does. Okay, that's cute. And this one is the spinner ring. Let's check that out. Okay, it's double packaged. Well, I have to say, at least it arrived in a timely manner, and nothing is damaged, and everything seems to be good. All right, let me get this open so I can show you this. There's the spinner ring. And it has the 3 rings in the center, I guess. And that's too small too. I should have got a bigger size. But yeah. So, what did you think of my Temu haul? And I don't know. Would I order from them again? Maybe. Yeah. I guess I will be caulking my tubs around. Find a place to hang this, probably right here next to my desk. And I really do like the shirt. It's super, super soft. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very quick little video. I wanted to share with you and open the package on camera so you can see, you know, what I got. So thanks everybody. If you like the video, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It's free to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Choose all notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I post new content. And thanks for spending this time with me to find out, hey, how was my Temu order? Thanks everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.